All right. I ain't about to be fighting with you, chicken. Yeah, see?
Ooh.
Get some char on that side. All right, check this out. We know we doing a jerk chicken, but we gotta do a jerk chicken dinner. A classic jerk chicken dinner with red peas and rice. Known as to us, red beans and rice. So let's get it ready. All right. So just like that, see how we filled it up with water? We're gonna let that sit overnight. And while we out there smoking that chicken, we're gonna be inside cooking these red beans and rice. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Let's get ready to marinate this whole chicken with Wilkerswood jerk marinade mild. This is my favorite store-bought marinade. All right, first thing I'm about to do here, I'm about to cut this thing down the middle. So I'm gonna take this spine out. So we're gonna end up spatchcocking it so it can just lay out on the grill and cook evenly. Oh yeah, take it on out. She's out of there. I got these birds out here chirping. Finna punch this like Bruce Lee. Yeah, she is flat. Clip it one more time. All right. So we're gonna get the marinade started. I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil on here first. Get that all nicely massaged in. Yeah. Just like that. All right. Now let's get ready to throw this whole marinade in here. Put it on side one, on the fat side. Get it massaged in. Put it on the inside flavor. So we're gonna have flavor everywhere on this jerk chicken. It's gonna be good. All right, a little citrus. Got a little acid going in here. Massage it. You know, get it everywhere. Get that flavor everywhere. So a little of this Wilkerswood go a long way. All right, we're gonna stick this in the breast, just like that. All right, we're gonna let that app do everything for us. So approximately around halfway through, we're gonna check on it, see what she looking like. Gotta throw this on up in there. This the pecan wood. Toss that baby in there. All right, y'all. We're going to be back. I say roughly about an hour. Check on it. See what she looking like. The next day, we up in the morning. Got these beans rinsed. All right, so we're going to do 3 cups of water. First, of course, we're going to throw onion and garlic in there. So, I know most of the time you're supposed to use scallions. I ain't feel like going to the store to get no scallions. I got some white onions, so I'm gonna use those. And I got some garlic, of course. So we're gonna get that. Let that go for a minute. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some garlic in there. Also, too, we're gonna throw a little of the jerk sauce in there. Since we don't have any scotch bonnet peppers and stuff like that. And it's got like the jerk flavor already. We're gonna throw that up in there. Just a little tad. All right, we're gonna get some ginger up in here. Let me see, I don't need that much. Let's see. Get the skin off. On the skin on your Mince it real fine. Make it pasty. Alright. Stir these onions up in here. Got a little olive oil in here for my fat. Let these onions go a little bit longer. See? Now I can smell that, just that fragrancy from the ginger. It's just popping out. Alright, let me go ahead and put a little garlic up in here. And follow right behind that. Get that ginger up in there. Got that ginger chopped up mighty fine. Got sinus problems? Oh boy. You just need to come take a whiff of this. And it'll be alright. Alright, so what we're going to do next, I'm going to add this little paste up in here, this marinade. Just like a little teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever. Mix it in, then we'll throw the water in, beans in, and we're going to let it cook for about an hour. Then we're going to throw in this coconut milk, and then we're going to throw in the rice. All right, we're going to see how it come out, right? I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. All right, throw that on up in there. I think that's about all we need. Like I say, a little of this marinade here. Yeah. A little of this goes a long way. Alright, we got our pan flavored real good. This is our base. And as they say anything, once the foundation is good and the base is good, you all good. Let's do a teaspoon of salt. So that was our 3 cups of water. Throw a cup of beans in here. All right, we'll be back in about an hour. Check on this. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Cook, cook, cook. All right, here we go. All right. I ain't about to be fighting with you, chicken. Yeah, see?
Ooh.
Get some char on that side.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, so I'm gonna wait till the meter tell me to come get it, and I'm come getting you. I'm come get ya. Come get ya.
Okay.
Alright, been going about an hour, so we're gonna go ahead and add our coconut milk. Ooh, making a mess. Making a mess, making a mess. Add a few little touches. Just a tad bit of cinnamon. A little allspice. About a teaspoon of sugar. Ooh, how that smell, baby?
That smells so good. Man, that smells good.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the rice in there now. That's 2 cups, washed and rinsed. And then since we put that rice in there, let's go ahead and put like a teaspoon of salt. We did 1 teaspoon earlier, so we do another teaspoon now. That's a beautiful color on that. Just check back when it's done. What it say?
Remove from heat.
All right. We got you. Yes, baby. Oh. Yes. Shoot. Shoot.
That was good.
All right. Let's take this in, let it cool down. And you really dig into it, baby. All right, y'all. Let's see where we at.
Ooh, that smell good.
Yeah. Steaming up my glasses. Oh, man. All right. We got this jerk chicken. Chop her up a little bit. Yeah. It's nice and tender. Then we gotta hit it hard. I sound like Jim Kelly in Enter the Dragon. Well, y'all old schoolers know about that. Don't mind me, y'all. I just be acting a fool. Oh, look how we looking too.
Real juicy.
So juicy. Let's get some thigh meat action going. Yeah. Little wing and breast. Red beans and rice. Oh, come on, be still. All right, let's see how we did on these peas and rice. We hitting, baby.
I know they are.
Taste this chicken. All that flavor. You don't need no sauce. All right, my peeps. Check this out. I'm gonna finish up eating. Y'all saw how it's done. We having fun. It's summertime. Well, not officially, but hey, weather out there is summerish. And we outside barbecuing every chance we get. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you for watching. Much appreciation. Catch you on the next one. Peace.